Hi everybody, the story I have for you today for Tales and Tales is a nonfiction called What Do You Do With a Tail Like This by Stephen Jenkins and Robin Page. So we have all animals use their noses, ears, tails, eyes, mouth, and feet in very different ways. See if you can guess which animal each part belongs to and how it is used. What do you do with a nose like this? Look. This one looks like a doggy to me. If you're a platypus, you use your nose to dig in the mud. If you're a hyena, you find your next meal with your nose. It looked a lot like a doggy's nose. If you're an elephant, you use your nose to give yourself a bath. If you're a mole, you use your nose to find your way underground. And if you're an alligator, you breathe through your nose while you're hiding in the water. What do you do with ears like this? If you're a jackrabbit, you use your ears to keep cool. If you're a bat, you see with your ears. If you're a cricket, you hear with ears that are on your knees. If you're a hippopotamus, you close your ears when you go underwater. That's a pretty neat trick, huh? If you're a humpback whale, you hear sounds hundreds of miles away. What do you do with a tail like this? Look at the different tails. I think that one's a skunk. If you're a giraffe, you brush those pesky flies away with your tail. If you're a skunk, you lift your tail to warn that a stinky spray is on its way. If you're a scorpion, your tail can give a nasty sting. If you're a monkey, you hang from a tree by your tail. And if you are a lizard, your tail can break off and you can get away. What do you do with eyes like these? If you're an eagle, you spot tiny animals from high in the air. If you are a chameleon, you can look two ways at once. If you are a four-eyed fish, you can look above and below the water at the same time. If you're a bush baby, you use your large eyes to see clearly at night. And if you are a horned lizard, you squirt blood out of your eyes. Interesting, huh? What do you do with feet like these? If you're a chimpanzee, you feed yourself with your feet. If you're a blue-footed booby, you do a dance. If you're a water strickler, you walk on water. If you're a gecko, you use your sticky feet to walk on the ceiling. And if you're a mountain goat, you leap from ledge to ledge. What do you do with a mouth like this? If you are a pelican, you can use your mouth as a net to scoop up fish. If you're a mosquito, you use your mouth to suck blood. If you're an egg-eating snake, you use your mouth to swallow eggs larger than your head. If you're an anteater, you capture termites with your long tongue. And if you're an archfish, you catch insects by shooting them down with a stream of water. So if you come in the library and want to check out this book, it'll tell you all about the animals. In the back, there's more. Okay, so that is What Do You Do With a Tail Like This? Enjoy. Bye-bye. Hi, everybody. The second story I wanted to share with you is Tickle Monster, and it's by Eduardo Manchu. He is the same person who did Windblown, and I like that he uses the same shapes on every page to tell a story. So he's very talented. Let's see. It says, "Hey, Tickle Monster, you don't scare me. If I tickle your horns, you can't poke me." They fell off. "If I tickle your arms, you can't catch me. If I tickle your feet, you can't run after me. If I tickle your teeth, you can't bite me. If I tickle your tummy, you can't swallow me. If I tickle your ears, you can't hear me. If I tickle your nose, you can't smell me. If I tickle your eyes, you can't see me. And now, if I tickle your head, you're gone. Goodbye, Tickle Monster." Whew. I can finally go to sleep. But if you ever come knocking on my door, Tickle Monster, beware. I will tickle you again. So there's our Tickle Monster. And there's our final picture when he got done tickling him. So in your craft bag, you are going to find pieces to make a snake. And my snake has disappeared. So I can't show you that, but I show the picture here, and that will be in your bag. And you'll also have a sheet of Tickle Monster parts, so you can make either your own Tickle Monster or your own scene, and another fun craft. Okay, guys, take care. Bye-bye.